Welcome to Stellar Hosting. Let's talk backup. Backing up your Webmail emails is an important step in protecting your communication and business data. Whether you're switching devices, restoring lost messages, or simply staying safe, having a backup ensures you never lose important emails. In this video, I'll walk you through how to backup and restore your Webmail emails step by step. In order to backup or export emails to your local computer, first, log into your Webmail account using your email address and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Webmail dashboard. From here, select Round Cube. After the Webmail interface loads, select the required emails. Look at the top menu and click on the More icon in the bar above. In the drop-down list, select the Export option, and your emails will be downloaded as a file to your device. This file serves as your email backup and should be stored safely. Now, let's look at how to restore emails from a backup. To restore your emails, select the Import option from the drop-down. After this, choose the backup file you wish to import and click Import. The system will begin restoring your emails, and once completed, you'll get a notification that the messages have been successfully imported and your messages will reappear in their respective folders. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to backup and restore your Webmail emails, helping you keep your important messages safe and accessible at all times. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need Stellar Hosting services. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy web hosting tutorials with Stellar Hosting. See you in the next video.